ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಡೀಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ರೂಟೀನ್. ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ನಾನು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ವಾರ್ಮ್ ವಾಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಫೇಶನ್ನು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ನಾನು ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಬಿ ಸೋಪ್, ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಬೇಬಿ ಸೋಪ್. ಆ ಸೋಪನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಫೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 2% ಕೋಜಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೀರಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು 2 yearsಯಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಪೋಸಿಗೆ ಸಹ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಟೆನ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಟು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 2-3 ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 5 drops. ಸೊ 2-3 drops ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ ಐ put it all over my face. I wash it all over my face. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗೋ ತನಕ ನಾನು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ is Mama Earth Vitamin C Nourishing Cold Cream. This is one of my favorite. This one I use it. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಆಫರ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ buy 1 get 1 free, buy 2 get 2 free ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫರ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುವಾಗ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್, ಐ ಬೈ ಇಟ್, ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಲಿಟಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಮೈ ಫೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, I massage like this. I massage all over my face, and once it's dried, so next one is, and the most important yaudandre, the sunscreen. So sunscreen ella type alli irutte. You have different types of sunscreen, but nan ella use madidene, but I was not satisfied. But idondu nange doctor ondu suggest madiruvanthaddu. I think you can see it, right? UV Dox. It is silicone sunscreen gel, SPF 50 PA+++. It's very nice, best ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 30 grams is near to 400 rupees. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ವರ್ತ್ ಉಂಟು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. No, right? See, here I didn't apply, here I applied. But did you find any difference? So you don't find any difference. You find really very good. So all over the face ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. It's only for the face. You can use all over the body, but ತುಂಬ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ I just use it only on my face area, and also the neck part also I use sunscreen because it's really very important. Mangalore-alli, ಈ Mangalore weather-alli, please make sure that you never skip ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಸನ್ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಡರ್ಮಟಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ಡ್. ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರೇಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ it does not give that good nourishment to your skin. So I always suggest UV Dox, my favorite. So admele for my hand tan removal, I basically use this sunscreen from Wish Care Sunscreen Body Lotion, which is one of my favorite. Been using for 2 years. So lock system unto, and then it's also good really. So this is also good for your body. Instead of simply wasting too expensive, this is good. It's 499 rupees and it is 200 ml, and kaigella haakbodu. So to protect your hand from suntan, I think this Wish Care product is good. So it kuda one of my favorite. I never miss this. And then So this is my basic. I don't go with the more of products. So this is the basic product that I basically use. So then next ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, so night time ಅಲ್ಲಿ because nange chikka magu untu, and then we had sleepless nights. Mothers have basically sleepless nights, and then we had these dark circles, right? And that's why I use this Dr. Derma's Snail Peptide 96 Under Cream Repair. So this is also good. This has been using from 1 month, not 1 year, but then I've seen a lot of reviews ella nodidene. I think it's good. So what you can do is take a pea size. I'm just showing you now. You can take a pea size during the time of sleep. Before you go to sleep, take a pea size, apply it like this. I'm just showing it to you now, and then massage it till it dries. Make sure it does not get contacted with your eyes, then and wash it with cold water, warm water, not hot water. So hige ನೀವು massage ಮಾಡಿ before you go to bed. So this is good. So this is Dr. Derma's. Okay, so this is how you apply. I'm just showing you how to apply, and then it's also good. And then okay, ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಲಿಪ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಡೇ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್. I used to feel dull. But then what happened, excessive lipsticks ella use martha idre, then I think I have a little pigmentation, but then it is from birth also. It's somewhat like this, my lips. But then still I have stopped using lipstick for daily purpose. I use it only on the occasion based. So that's why I have Dr. Derma's. If I think I'll zoom it to you. 1 minute. Can you see? Okay, it's Dr. Derma's SPF 50. It's for your lips. Okay, I've been using for quite long time, so you can't see anything, just a little bit of stuff left. So then I use it on my lip, and then it has given a good nourishment. I can see a lot of difference. So this is the basic skin hand care routine that I have. And for my hair growth, because after giving birth, and also I go with smoothing and all that stuff, I have a lot of hair fall. So then I thought, let me buy some new products. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು body wise in the hair growth serum roll, this is 599 rupees. So ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೇರ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆದರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಾಡಿ ವೈಸ್ ಸೀರಮ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಮ್ಮೀಸ್. ನಾನು ಗಮ್ಮೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರೋಲ್ ಆನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 3% rosemary, it has 3% rinsil. Okay, and there are a lot of other products, and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಅದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ is 1 day 1 ml, so you can use it. So I have already used so much, so 1 ml I have to use it. So I use it in this way. Okay, I know it's too expensive, so this is how I use roll on. And then if you use it in your hand, make sure you wash your hands with warm water. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, so like this I apply all over. Okay, this is how you apply. And then what I do next is, after that I have bought this silicone comb, a hair massager from Body Wise. It's just 160 to 200, within that range. So then what I do is I massage my hair. Okay, so this gives a good nourishment. Scalp ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. So you need to also massage your scalp for the good hair growth. ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, so it's not that I never miss, because we are humans, we miss doing certain things at times. So this is what I do. So ಹೀಗೆ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, so that's okay. So also you need to take care of your hair. So I try to do, so ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, because you feel really very relaxing. Okay, you feel really very happy, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So then, so this is what I do. So once I do what I do, I just, because I use my serum, just dye my hair and keep it for the entire day, then have a good bath. I use L'Oreal shampoo and the conditioner, as well as L'Oreal hair serum once I have my shower. So this is for my hair. And then the most important one is we have this body wise pigmentation repair cream. I've been using this for 1 year, from 1 year. So I had a very dark underarms, very dark. I didn't know whom to contact. Nange underarms full dark agittu. I didn't know whom to contact or what products to be used. So just once ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ I found body wise underarm roll on reviews ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿತ್ತು. Then I thought let me purchase once. So it's too costly. That is just 350 rupees for 4% HA BHA. So ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ dark underarms ಇದ್ದರೆ there is 6%, and I basically use 4%. So they already said 3 months continuous use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I've used it for 1 year and this product is really very nice. I'll give a thumbs up for body wise roll on. And then ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ dark underarms ಇದ್ದರೆ you can use this, and then you can use this pigmentation cream. So pigmentation cream, ನಾನು basically as soon as I wake up in the morning before I go to my work, I use this. ಇದು ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಲೀವ್ ಟು ಮೈ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿಸ್, and then night before I sleep again I apply this. It should get dried. So this is how we use. I can just show you. So this much of pea size you have to take it, and then you have to massage it in your underarm area or the pigmentation where you need a bright skin tone. So this is okay, this is how I apply. So and then it keeps yourself really very fresh. So these are the basic things that I use. So if you want to know about any of the products, do comment. So comment ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈ ಸೀಸನ್, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಇರಿಟೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಚ್ಚಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, that is Venusia. It's been suggested by the dermatologist, the number 1 product I can tell, and it's all for every skin type. It's for all over your body. You can use it for your face, your hands, your legs, and this has given me I can tell 10 on 10 result. It's really very good, and it's good. There's no white cast left. I can just show it to you. 1 minute. Okay, so this is how it looks. See, I basically use this when I'm at home, or at times I feel really very dry, my skin is really very dry, I use it. So the cost of the product is 662. So it's good to use it on your hands, your legs, your face, and it's best for your dry skin. So these are all my special products that I use, and for me, I don't go with that much of makeup. So I hope this video is really very useful to you all. So ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ just comment ಮಾಡಿ. I'll just send you the link, and then you can purchase the products. So till then, so see you in the next vlog. So till then, bye bye, take care, and please do try these products, but never miss the sunscreen. Till then, bye bye.